LEDs have become the most efficient source of lighting available, using up to 90% less energy than incandescent lighting and 60% less than fluorescent lighting. However, LED lighting has not always been the cost-efficient alternative that it is today, with the first LEDs costing around $200 each. Since the first visible LED was created in 1962, the technology has grown rapidly, with LED lights becoming an extremely popular lighting solution in recent years. Hey guys, what is up? This is Dhruval Patel. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. We all use LED lights in our day-to-day life, but have you ever thought what are LEDs, how they work, and how you can benefit from them? Watch this video till the end, cause I am going to dive into the deepest information about LEDs. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. So now, without keeping you all waiting, let's get started. First of all, let's start with the basic. What is LED? Well, LED stands for light emitting diode. Now again, you might wonder, what is diode? Let me tell you. A diode is a semiconductor material which has a two-terminal electronic component that only conducts current in one direction. So basically, the light emitting diode, or you can say LED, is an electric component that emits light when the electric current flows through it. Now let's understand how exactly LED works. LEDs contain two conductive materials that are placed in contact with each other. Once the electricity is applied to the diode, the atoms in one material become charged with energy. This energy is then released in the form of electrons into the other conductive material. This release of energy is what creates light. The process of generating light is what distinguishes LEDs from traditional lighting, as regular incandescent bulbs produce light by creating heat. Now that you know the working principle of LED lighting, let's understand how much you can save by converting to LEDs. When comparing LEDs to traditional lighting technology, the increased energy efficiency and extended lifespan result in a substantial long-term savings. As I previously mentioned, LEDs used up to 90% less energy than incandescent and 60% less than old fluorescent lighting, resulting in instant energy cost savings. On top of this, the extended lifespan of LED bulbs means they need to be replaced far less regularly, further reducing any additional maintenance costs. Investing in a full LED conversion may seem daunting initially due to the investment required. However, the subsequent savings will mean any initial investment is soon repaid. So now the last thing which is remaining to be discussed is the boosting benefits of LED lighting. Let's get to it then. Number 1. Energy efficiency. LED bulbs are far more energy efficient when compared to the traditional alternatives, with energy savings of 80 to 90% over incandescent or halogen technologies and up to 60% in comparison to fluorescent lamps. Number 2. Longer lifespan. LEDs last 2 or 3 times longer than fluorescent bulbs and over 50 times longer than incandescent lamps. The typical lifespan of LED is up to 50,000 hours, further slashing replacement and maintenance costs. Number 3. Instant light. Many fluorescent lights can take a while to warm up and reach their full brightness. However, LEDs light up immediately. Number 4. Eco-friendly. LED technology has the potential to dramatically reduce carbon emissions, as around 20% of the world's electricity is used on lighting, so finding a more energy efficient solution will reduce this. Additionally, as LEDs don't contain mercury, the disposal of the bulbs is much easier and cleaner. Number 5. Lower heat output. Unlike filament bulbs, an LED lamp does not project infrared heat in its beam, making them more suitable for lighting heat-sensitive items like artwork or food. As LEDs emit less heat, they are also safer than traditional bulbs, reducing the risk of fire caused by high temperature bulbs. Number 6. Added durability. LEDs are a solid state form of lighting, meaning they are able to withstand lower temperatures and higher levels of vibration and shock in comparison to incandescent or fluorescent lamps. Guys, that's all from LED lighting technology. I hope you understood everything in detail. If you think this video was useful, then please like this video and share this with everyone. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.